The 2009 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, tow hitch, power passenger seat, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, bucket seats, trip computer, passenger airbag, power windows, bed liner. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.